Hey everyone, and welcome back for another deep dive. Today we're going to be talking about something pretty incredible.
Yeah.
So the FDA recently authorized the first AI-powered tool
Oh, wow.
for early sepsis detection and risk assessment.
Really?
Yeah, it's called Sepsis ImmunoScore.
Okay.
And we found out about this from a really interesting article on MarkTech Post. And this is huge. This is a really big deal, not just for AI,
Right.
but also for the future of healthcare and how we can maybe
Yeah,
diagnose and treat these really serious life-threatening conditions.
exactly.
So I'm really excited to unpack this with you.
Yeah, me too. So,
It's really
yeah,
fascinating.
so let's just dive right in.
Okay.
Can you tell us a little bit more about how this sepsis immunoscore thing actually works?
Yeah. So what's really interesting is that it's not just scanning for the presence of an infection like
Mhm.
a lot of other tools might. This AI kind of goes a little bit deeper and analyzes a patient's blood work.
Oh, wow.
And specifically, it looks at the levels of certain proteins. Okay.
That are known to change a lot in the early stages of sepsis.
So it's like looking for these
Or-
warning signs.
Yeah, it's instead of just waiting for those obvious symptoms that might show up way later,
Right.
it's looking for those subtle early warnings.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Yes.
It's hidden within our immune response.
Right.
So even before you would notice anything,
Right.
the AI can pick it up.
Wow, that's incredible.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and so by catching those shifts, Sepsis ImmunoScore can flag patients
Okay.
who might be on the verge of developing sepsis.
And that's so important
It is.
with sepsis.
Absolutely.
Because
Right.
if you don't catch it early,
Yeah.
then things can go downhill really quickly.
Exactly. And I think for those who might not be super familiar with sepsis,
Right.
it would be good to just quickly explain why early detection is so critical.
Yeah, for sure.
So sepsis is basically the body's extreme response to an infection, and it can trigger all this inflammation, which if it's not checked,
Right.
can lead to organ damage
Wow.
and even death.
So yeah, you really have to catch it early.
Yeah, the key is to intervene as early as possible before things escalate.
Yeah. And this AI tool can potentially save so many lives.
Totally. It's like having an extra set of eyes that are super powered,
Yeah.
scanning for those warning signs.
Right. And signs that even the most experienced doctors might miss.
Totally, because, even a doctor with years of experience,
Right.
they're still just looking at individual data points.
Okay.
Whereas Sepsis ImmunoScore's algorithm has been trained on thousands of cases.
Wow.
So it can recognize those complex patterns and make connections that
Right.
we might not even be able to see.
Right. So it's not about replacing doctors.
No.
It's about giving them an extra tool
Exactly.
to help them make decisions.
Especially in those really time-sensitive situations.
Right, because with sepsis, you really have to act fast. So this FDA authorization is
I think it's a sign of things to come.
Right.
We're going to see more and more of these AI tools
right.
being developed and tested
Yeah.
for all kinds of different things in healthcare.
Absolutely. And I think this is just the beginning.
Totally agree.
Um, what other life-saving applications of AI in healthcare can you imagine?
Oh, man.
What if...
What if we had AI assisting with surgeries?
Yeah.
Or personalizing treatments
Oh,
based on your genes?
or even predicting and preventing diseases
Yeah.
before they even happen.
That would be incredible.
I know. It's a really exciting time
It is.
to be alive.
Totally.
I feel like we're on the cusp of something
Yeah, for sure.
huge.
Yeah.
Thanks for listening, everybody, and we'll see you next time.